In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a post on Facebook page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to draft your content, pick the perfect time, and let Facebook handle the publishing for you. First, open Facebook and make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. You'll need the right permissions like admin or editor to schedule posts. Once you're in, switch to your page. You can do this by selecting your profile switcher or the pages section, then choosing the page you want to post from. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your page's dashboard and tools. Next, tap or click Meta Business Suite. This is Facebook's built-in hub for managing posts, messages, and insights for your page. If you don't see it right away, look in the left sidebar on desktop or the menu on mobile. It might be labeled Meta Business Suite or just Business Suite, depending on your device. Inside Business Suite, select Create Post. This opens the Post Composer where you'll build your content. Write your post text clearly and concisely. If you're adding media, choose a photo or video that fits your message and looks good in the feed. Double-check any links to make sure they work. And consider a short call to action if that suits your goal. Keep accessibility in mind by adding alt text for images when possible and ensuring your video has captions. Now, scroll to the scheduling options. This area controls when the post goes live. By default, Facebook is set to publish immediately, so look carefully for the option that mentions scheduling. Turn on Schedule for later. You'll see fields to choose a date and a time. Pick the day you want, then select a time that matches when your audience is most active. Remember that scheduling uses the time zone associated with your account or page settings, so confirm it's correct before proceeding. Once your date and time are set, click Schedule. Facebook will confirm that your post is scheduled, and you can safely leave it from there. Your post will auto-publish at the chosen time, no extra action required. If you ever change your mind, you can return to Business Suite to adjust the date, edit the content, or cancel the schedule before it goes live. That's it. You opened Facebook, switched to your page, went into Meta Business Suite, created your post with text, photos, or video, enabled Schedule for later, chose the exact date and time, and clicked Schedule. With these steps, you can plan ahead confidently and keep your page active even when you're busy.